Hey everyone, Matt Keane with the King Piers team, out here with another video showcase of the nation's very best engineering sound foundation repair. If you'd like to see more, we highly encourage you to visit us over on our YouTube and Facebook channels. If you've never visited before, just a simple search, King Piers LLC, and while you're there, please leave a like and a subscribe. We are back out here in Lawrence, Kansas. Our main crew is here to begin getting our 6x6s, our 30-ton bottle jacks set up inside the basement, and looking to be tomorrow that we will start straightening the walls, this wall in particular on the side, and start getting our wall braces installed. We have 9 wall braces in total. We are going to be installing across this wall and the back wall. This wall is the one that is getting the 4-step full scope foundation repair with the straightening of the walls, the wall brace installation, the King Piers, and the epoxy injection final coat of NP 150 polyurethane. The back wall we have already sealed. This one is just getting the crack repair with the epoxy injection, the commercial foundation tar, and it is getting wall braces on the inside. So we are probably going to end up having 4 or 5 wall braces installed on the interior of this wall, and then the remaining on the wall once it is pushed back to vertical. And then we have 3 King Pier 2s we are installing under the footings, 1 in each corner, and then 1 in the middle of the wall. With all the rain, we just need to get the water pumped out of the holes. Very normal to get that dealt with. But yeah, we should be able to have the majority of this project complete by the end of the week, if not the entire project. If there's anything left to do next week, it's simply getting all the dirt backfilled, which should not take that long. It's a pretty easy access to get everything. We are going to remove this window per the request of the homeowners. We're gonna cinder block that in real good and close that up. So we just have 1 window well to work on once we start the backfill. So stay tuned for more updates. We'll be up here again tomorrow to show you the wall once it's vertical and the beginning stages of the wall brace installation. Today we will again get all the wood and the bottle jacks downstairs. We will probably be able to start cutting the floor where those 9 wall braces are going, and then tomorrow we will have this wall tilted back. A lot of the wall brace work will begin. We'll pick those up later today. Thursday should be finishing up all of the interior work, and then we'll have the piers and the concrete to encase those taken care of probably by Friday, and then simply we'll tar this wall once the piers are in place, seal all the cracks on the outside, and then backfill in this house will be complete. So again, stay tuned for more updates. You can find those on our YouTube and Facebook channels, King Piers LLC. It's a simple search if you've never visited before. While you're there, we'd really appreciate if you could leave a like and a subscribe. You can also go to our website, www.kingpiers.com. And again, don't forget, you can always reach us directly by phone at 1-816-288-4373.